Here at Papasikos Orthodontics, we offer a great at-home whitening system. So you want to place a small drop of the whitening solution on the front of your retainer. The objective is to have the gel coat the outer side of your teeth. Once the gel has been applied, you want to seat the trays carefully over your teeth and press firmly against the front of your teeth to ensure the gel has spread evenly. Allow any excess gel to escape naturally and remove any excess gel using a toothbrush or a tissue. You want to make sure you wear your tray once or twice a day for at least 20 minutes per application. Upon completion of each application, you want to make sure to remove the gel, any excess gel, with a tissue. Make sure to brush your teeth as well as the tray with your toothbrush, removing any excess gel. Repeat these steps uninterrupted each day until you're satisfied with the shade of your teeth. Save any extra gel for maintenance.